Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Etoro application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Etoro app on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Once you are, tap open App Store. Once you're inside your App Store, go to the search box at the top where it says Games, Apps, Stories, and more. Type in Etoro and search. You'll be able to see the application that says Etoro Investing Made Social application right here. Simply tap on the Get button to download the application for your iPhone. Now wait until the application gets downloaded for your iPhone, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Etoro is a leading online brokerage that offers cryptocurrency trading and stock trading, and it was one of the first online trading companies to support digital currency trading. Once you download and install the application and it is ready for use, you should see an open button popping up. Simply tap it on to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Etoro mobile application for your iPhone. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.